Hello, internet. Welcome back to another live stream. I just realized I need to fix my camera a little bit. Okay, good. We should be ready now. Guys, welcome back. It's another one of those streams where I'm just gonna refactor my code and just, I don't know, just chill, I guess. I'm happy to chat. If you're watching this and if you just wanna if you don't wanna lurk, just say something in the chat. I'll try to read it and yeah, whatever. We'll hang out, guys. And wait, this is still. Am I on the center? Whatever. Okay. I guess I need to switch to my shitty video later on because I don't have a I don't have enough USB input, like USB bus or whatever that is called. I only have like 2 USBs on my laptop. Okay, I ordered a multiplier today though. Don't worry, I'll get the multiplier and then it's gonna be better. But yeah, for now we're just gonna use the shitty video. But do you really need to see me in high quality? It's enough if you just see the code and see how shitty it is. You don't have to see my face, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, there were some updates on my project. Let me sip water first. Guys, this is the official drink of this live stream, okay? Just drink water. This is a reminder. So I've been grinding as always, and the grind was really grindful. I don't know what that means, but we've been just like grinding on a piece of paper, man. Look at this shit. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing, of course, but like we've been grinding really hard. I invited over one of my smarter friends. Like he's definitely smarter than me, and he helped out with my little embedded grind over here. So we got some stuff working. I'll show you today, and hopefully we will fix them and like fix some of the parts and then just commit them to the repo. So we're making progress. Okay, which episode is this? 11. We're making progress, guys. This is how it is. Small steps, baby steps, but we're getting there. Actually, let me just update the chat window. And the good thing is I'm just live streaming everything, so you see my progress. Like you see what I'm doing basically. And yeah, it's also a good way to say that, hey, I spent this many hours on this project, or I spent this much time on this whatever. So yeah, I don't know. I like this little episode type live streams. Hello Ferris, how's it going? Meow. I just meow back to you. I wish I could show you my cat, but she's not around. A little spoiler though. It's a pitch black cat. I don't know if you have ever seen it. I don't think I've showed it on stream before, but anyways, meow back to you, man. All right. No, I don't have my cat here. I wish. Anyways, so let me show you my progress. One second. My door just moved. Something's going on in my house. All right, guys, you ready? You ready for the progress? Little progress. Okay, wait. I need a longer cable. Well, this is not perfect, but we're gonna make it close to perfect today, I hope. So there we go, guys. Hell yeah. Did you finish your poem? No, not really. It's still work in progress, but like you see it, like these are the notes. Now, well, there's like a 20 hertz 20 hertz offset, but still good. So guys, I'll try to show it to you. I'll play, I think, G3. Let's play G3 or G4. Okay, let's play, I don't know, something more high pitch. F5. F5. Boom. You got F5 there, and you know, the high pitch ones always work better. G5. A5. There you go. F5. It's sick, man. It works. It works. We got this shit working somehow. And yeah, let me show you the details now. Let's get to the boring part, shall we? Alright, so this is the repo. In case, well, I'll just send a link at the end of the stream. Or you can just like find it from my GitHub profile, whatever. So, there were some changes, first of all. Maybe first things first, I can just switch to my shitty camera up front, or maybe not. I'm not using threads still. I need to switch to using threads. But this waveform function is now fixed, so let me show you. Now I'm properly using, like, I'm doing the right thing, if that makes sense. So if I go to this file, I'm calling why everything's so slow. Draw waveform. So before, we can probably just target, run the desktop version. Desktop version, that sounds fancy. Just terminal version. So before I was just using like a dynamic range for the samples, and I was not sure about this data points thing, but now I switched to a more correct way of calculating things. First of all, I'm actually using the sample rate for the duration of the graph or the chart, because before I was basically, it was weird, man. It was just wipe coded, so it was not working fine. Like it was working, but it was weird. Now the time and amplitude they are correct, so I'm happy with that. Also, let me just take a look here again. Samples, sample rate, and bounds. The bounds are actually related to the amplitude. It's actually related to the bounds of the sample. Well, I'm simply gonna remove this other dynamically calculated function, because this was like, if you remember this, I don't know if you watched the previous stream, but this is for the y-axis, so the max and minimum points of the y-axis just changes based on the maximum minimum of the samples, and it was just like always changing. It was not great, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna commit this change. Also gonna rename this thing here as well. Okay. Let's try to run it again. So now I'm running the TTY version, which will run in the terminal. I think the range is just wrong here. Why is it starting from 0? Oh, I'm using U16, that's why. Okay, it should be I16. Where is it? I16. Alright, now we'll get a better result. Alright, so yeah, this is like more correct, because you see the X axis. Wait, I'm curious what my other thing showing here, like on embedded. 0.3. Okay, so this is sampling every 40 milliseconds. That's why you see this x-axis, and y is just like the amplitude of the samples, and we see the note here. Yeah, when you run this on embedded, the screen size is too small. I don't quite know the exact size, but let's see. Where is it? Somewhere here. Display size 135 and 240. So 135 to 40. That's like pixels, but I need that in. What exactly is the terminal size on embedded? Actually, I don't know. I can do something like. Let me think. Because I want to show the same, like, you see this, this is quite big, right? Like this, this screen is quite big, and look at this thing now. See, the tweet text is too big. I need to use something. I have to make that smaller on embedded. So maybe it's not a good idea to use the same size, pixel size. Okay, maybe instead of full, we can try. Actually, I don't know. I need to see some examples from this. Like, which one is the smallest one? Maybe they're all just the same size. Probably they. Okay, third height. Let's try this one maybe. Yeah, I mean, just changing the height. Quadrant. Test. Yeah, this is smaller. I should probably go with this one. And yeah, I need to center the node. Just thinking. Maybe I should just use the full size, man. This is a small screen, so it looks not that bad. Look, it's very small, so it should be readable at least. But how about the yeah, it's overriding the chart, so it's not that great actually. Okay, what if I draw the node first and then draw the chart later? Let's try that here. Okay, test. Well, it's not centered, so let's try to center this. I can probably count the... Dude, I can just count the freaking columns and stuff like that on this. Wait, it's not centered still, what the hell? Oh, I'm not rendering it the correct area. Okay. Test. No, it's not. No. Nope. Nope. Dude, it's really hard to scale things when you have a small screen. Just thinking. Yeah, just use quadrant. These percentages are wrong though. Test. No, now it's just too small. How can I get, like, how can I center this? I'm just thinking. The percentage is not a good idea for sure. I had some functions for that. I had really bad functions for that. Okay, percentage. Well, this is also using percentage. No, I guess I just need to use percentage. Or I can just like do something like this. Area. Just gonna move the area a little bit. So frame area. Offset. And then we're gonna move it to the center. Center area. No, I'm just taking offset. What is it taking actually? It was taking something else. It is, no, it's offset, right? Offset, and then it should be just X and Y coordinates. Coordinates, but you get what I mean. Big text, width and height. We don't have those functions. Great. So we have lines. We only have lines. I really need width and height. Okay, maybe I don't need them. Just move it by half or something. Oh damn. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna be centered or not. Yo, test. Yeah, I mean, it is on the center, I guess. Yo. Kind of. Yo, okay, it just crashed. We should probably make it more safe. Intersection. But I think it's gonna work, so test. Pixel size, let's take the pixel size as an argument. Okay, now we gotta pass that from both of these things. Pixel size quadrant. Also from TTY. Okay, it's not centered though. Oh, I need to... Yeah, I think I know why. Lines len or something. Dude, what? Okay, we don't have the width, so maybe I can do some like pixels per cell. Interesting. But this function is not public. Oh no. Okay. Then yeah. Just use I32 then. Just use that value, I don't know. This will be kinda better, but not, yeah, I mean. Why am I dividing this by 2? Test, test, test. Test. I just wanted this to be perfectly centered, man. Do we have a display method? But yeah, I can try to flash this and see how it looks like. Let's do that. Just gotta use this camera now. It's not the best, but like I said, I don't have enough USB data buses on my thing. It's not busing, guys. Let's flash it. What is this extremely long comment? Turns the, yeah. Okay, it's flashing. So this is the final code that I'm working with. To get the sample rate, I'm basically using this instant type to measure the time that is elapsed between two sampling points, and then I just get that as a sample rate, and then I run a FFT on that to, yeah, what is going on? Okay, this is actually quite better. Look. It's kind of better. Probably want to change the, yeah, I mean, it's not perfectly centered. Let me actually go here and show it to you. This is a nice thumbnail. I'm gonna use this as thumbnail. Don't see the grind logo though. Yeah, I mean, it's not perfectly centered, you see. Maybe I can just like move this a bit to the bottom and just use the dead space on like dead space in the graph, because I don't know. Should probably do that. Yeah, let's use the dead space there. All right. And this is the logs, you see. Just finding the fundamental frequency and stuff like that. Sampling 500 samples at this hertz. Okay, let's change the UI a little bit. So what do I want to do? Just push this a little bit more, like maybe one character. It's quite arbitrary, but whatever. One character is like actually a lot. Like one pixel or like one column is quite a big number in terms of embedded, because this screen is so fucking small now. That's why she's yes, so yeah. I'm thinking if I should just buy a bigger screen. Bro, don't tell me that, because you know, I have this small one, this big one. Wait for it. Wait for it. And you got this one, bro. You got this one, and this is actually touchscreen. So you have the pen too. So I have a bigger screen, but I'm not worth using the bigger screen now. You gotta start from small ones, you know, small ones like this. And yeah, let's just use threads now. Actually, I should probably commit all of this code now, because it's been a lot of changes. Very undocumented changes too, so very nice. I'm just congratulating myself on that. It's great. Very undocumented code. Lovely. Maybe I should commit that after I figure out the thread stuff, but no. Okay, let's just commit all of this. Let's see. Man, so many stuff has changed. Maybe I should start small here. I'm gonna start with the UI changes. In your last post, you're seriously doing job in bar. No. Okay, let me actually tell you the story. It's not real, but I seriously considered it, because I've been going to the same cafe for 4 years straight at this point. Like, I've been just like working there, not like as a barista, just with my laptop, you know, just grinding and stuff, just doing open source and whatever. So I've been going there for a long time, and I just know the owner, the people who work there and stuff like that. And you know, I was just hanging out one day, and then wait. I should be back now. Sorry, I just dropped, but I should be back now. So what I was saying is, I was just going there very often, so I just know them, and we did a little prank. We did a little bit of a prank on y'all. Yeah, I think it was very funny, and a lot of people thought that it was real. So yeah, but I seriously considered it because it's actually a real job. I don't know if you guys agree with me, but you know what I mean, like just a real job, bro. What am I doing right now? What am I doing? Like, I'm just, you know what I mean? Okay. Have you guys ever had a real job before? I'm not talking about barista, like something else. Because I know people from very different backgrounds, so I'm just curious. Yeah. Use the like scaling and sample rate for waveform. You never had a real job, bro? That's what I'm saying. I almost got a real job. Okay, map range. Am I even using that function? Map range. I don't think I'm using that. Nope. Just a random ass function that I copied over. Okay. Do pitch detection for embedded. Alright, I'm gonna push these changes before I lost everything. Okay. So we did that. Let's try to use threads now. Oh, this will be interesting. So I already have this function where I can call a thread, and I think with the threads this will be more correct, because right now there's like a small offset, because you know FFT takes time, and since FFT is taking time, it affects my whole loop, like whole sampling loop, and since I'm just doing everything in the main thread, it's not great. So if I use like a thread, I'll get like better results, I think. But there's a small caveat, which is I shouldn't do too many stuff to cause a stack overflow, because you know this is embedded, we don't have much RAM. And Sandik Dacha, what's up? We just chilling, man. We just like grinding, just like, let me show you. Very impressive stuff. Are you ready? Are you ready, man? We're just making this little bomb. No, not a bomb, but so let me play a note for you. I don't know if you can see the screen. F3. This is A4, so it just detects the notes. F4, A5, A3, A2. So yeah, I have a tuner now. I can tune my guitar with this. Almost. I can almost do that. Like, I need to make it perfect, but just working towards that, you know. I think as long as money comes, can be counted as real job. Facts. So open source is not a real job. Dude, you just like, man, that hurt. That hurt, man. Not gonna lie. Okay, let's use the threads now. I'm just gonna comment this out. I'm gonna create a new channel. I'm gonna read the samples. Wait. What happens if I do the FFT in a thread as well? That would be interesting. No, I need to send the sample rate and the sample, so it's gonna be actually two things. You can earn money with your skills though. All I'm earning is, I don't know what I'm earning. Yes, I mean, then like, yeah, not directly from open source, because it's like open and people don't pay for it. You get sponsors, but you know what I mean? Like it's a bit weird. I'm trying to figure it out. Still trying to figure it out. Okay. This channel should be, where's my channel? There's my channel. Okay, this channel should be sending, okay, sender, receiver, let's do that. And let's do some like struct sample. What editor are you using? I'm using Emacs. No, I'm using Neovim. But the name of this development environment is it Neon or Helix? It's Neovim. My back is killing me, man. My chair is also dying. I don't know if you heard that. I need to get this oiled up. It sounded unnecessarily romantic or sexy, but whatever. I think it is LazyVim kind of stuff. It's Astro and Vim. Sample, or let's do read sample message or something. Sample result. Let's do that. Okay. So in a loop, we're basically gonna do the reading stuff now. Why do I need this Nyquist? Okay, never mind. Alright, I'm just gonna copy over this thing. Samples needed. Let's change that to, we don't need to take the sample rate from here. Buffer length or something. Let's do buffer length. Buffer length. All right. You can probably use the, okay, let's actually use a array. Let's use an array. I don't think it will be possible, but let's see. Sample result. The senders I16. This should be sample results. And scope. Why are you complaining now? Oh, this vector of... No, this is not a vector. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of. Yeah. Let's remove the lifetime for now. I think I can clone, and if things go wrong, I can try to use the lifetime, but I don't want to make it complicated for now. Okay. What kind of task when a Rust developer use arc or mutex stuff? Arc is when you want to clone some type, like you need to atomically count a type when you want to clone it in a thread, and mutex is when you want to change something in a thread without causing a deadlock or a race condition. If you ever done threads, probably have used it. Fundamental frequency. Am I clearing the samples here? Nope, I need to clear the samples. Okay. See where? Okay, sample result is set. No, it's not set. I'm going to change this to sample results. Okay. Maybe I should just call it sampler, man. Let me just call it sampler. That would be better. Samples needed. Oh, this is buffer size. Buffer length is actually better. Buffer length. Let's change it to buffer length. Okay, buffer length. Maybe buffer size. Yeah, it's called buffer size. Okay, and then buffer size. All right. Do I need to clear this? Probably not. Okay, let's rename this to sampler now. Okay, and sample result sampler sampler. Okay, this is better. Now we can run this thread, I think. I'm gonna remove this part. Let's create a new scope thread. And this thread we can simply run our loop. This is the terminal. Draw loop, like render loop. Oh shit, what's going on? Was it called run scoped or something? Scope. Okay. Alright, now we have a thread that we are reading stuff from, just sending stuff to us. I'm gonna remove this code. Let's see if we're gonna get a Stack Overflow. Alright, I'm just gonna run it. It's crazy how you can use all of the features of Rust in embedded. Like, I'm using threads, I'm using std time, bunch of other std stuff. It's just crazy how it works. You can probably do async too. I haven't tried that, but you can probably just like run async code on embedded with no hustle. It's no hassle, sorry, not, of course we're hustling, but no hassling. Do you use a async runtime? No, there's no async in this code. It's all sync. I just hope that this won't cause an Stack Overflow. I feel like it's gonna cause a Stack Overflow, but let's see. Stack size. Oh man. Okay. Nothing is happening. It's probably because I'm doing something wrong with the scope threads. Do I need to run this code in a thread as well? For reference, I got this idea from, do you know async embed? Yes, I never use it though. I got the code from this repo, so I trust them this works. But maybe I'm doing something wrong. Dude, I really don't know why this is happening, because now I'm getting like no result, like blank screen. Nothing. It's not is it like restarting? It's not doing anything, man. ESP system abort. Just to see what's going on, I'm gonna actually draw something dummy. Yeah, let's do that and see. Also, let me stop the thread. Maybe I'm doing something wrong in the thread. Have you tried Embassy, Kex, FX? I think I tried it out very shortly once at some workshop, but I never like built something with it myself. It's pretty nice though. You can like do async stuff. I guess that's the only like that's the gist of it, but you know, something is going really wrong here because I'm getting I'm getting nothing from this. Like it's not running this part at all. Wait, what is this loop? Where does this loop end? Here. Maybe I should just ask ChatGPT 1 second. Today ChatGPT was down, dude. My life sucked for a short period of time, but now it's back. Okay, let's flashing. Okay, guys, we have some action. There you go, some action. It's actually crashing now. Wait, what's the problem? Option unwrap. Oh. Okay. Unwrap or default. Let's do that. Oh, just 0, man. Just use 0. View size. What the fuck is this type? So when I disabled the thread, it started to do something. It's a good sign, I guess. I'm just gonna lower this text size actually. Or maybe just 8 kilobytes should be enough. I mean, I don't get it. What's wrong with this thread? Is it panicking or something? I don't get like anything when it panics though. I'm not running this in a loop by accident, right? No, I'm not. So what's the problem? Is it because this part? No, it's not blocking. Okay, we're gonna find out in a second. Okay, now we just get like a empty chart because it's not running the thread, so it's not reading any data. Let's try to read some data now. I think if we get like if we get no results now, I will think that this is because of the thread. It's doing something weird. But it's basically the same code as this one. Scope. It's basically this one. What happened to the music? Are you guys vibing with the music or no? Some people say that they're only watching a live stream for the music. They would be pretty happy if I just shut the fuck up and let the jazz play. Okay, well, yeah, so here's what's going on. It's drawing the block as expected here, so it hits this line and then it just gets stuck here. Spawn reader thread just gets stuck, so it doesn't actually go past this point. Is it blocking or what? It's not blocking, right? Probably doing something wrong here. Do I have to join this or something? Or let's see if it's actually reading samples. Let me just print this. Actually, I can just go ahead and print. Take everything from here. Okay, just take everything. Oh, magnitude. Oh, I don't have that. Right. Sorry. Okay, so just print ln. Just print ln. Maybe it's not reading the samples. Oh shit, what did I do? Okay, print ln. I think this should be super fast because it's analog and there's nothing else that takes time, so it should just work very fast. But maybe I'm missing something here. Maybe I need to do something with this thread join handle or something. Let's Spawn reader. It's just actually just unwrapping it. So I'm not sure. I can ask ChatGPT. Just copy and paste everything. Why is my thread not running and program gets stuck when I spawn it? All captured variables to outlive the scope and the thread must return. In your case, the thread runs an infinite loop which blocks forever. Never exits. What? Use GPT 4.1 at least. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's actually sampling. It's sampling until some point and then it just crashes. Rebooting, what? Memory allocation of whatever bytes failed. Okay, that's the problem, I think. But it doesn't explain why. What? Maybe just smaller buffer size with a smaller stack size. I'm just gonna add printlns everywhere, man. Just add printlns everywhere. It's the same log, man. Give me something else. Okay, let's flash it again. Actually, let me put something here as well. Or maybe no. I'm reading samples until a certain point, but then crashing. Oops, he almost went torty again. What up, man? We're just grinding out here. Mr. Dick, actually, you said I should use GPT 4.1, but I should have just used transistoric 4.1, you know? Crashing with what error, dude? Dude, the error is so clear. It's memory allocation of 1024 bytes failed. Is there GPT 0.1? Probably. I don't know. Do I look like an LLM to you right now? Because you're the LLM, dude. I'm just... What is wrong with my chair? Why is it making so much noise? Half of the stream is just waiting for the flash. And you know, it's funny because it's called flash, you know, like it's as if it's fast. It's flashing, dude. But no. Okay, ADC channel configured. Starting ADC reader thread. ADC channel configured. And it just reads forever. So it doesn't return, maybe that's why. Do I have to return? No, I don't have to return. Like, what the hell, man? I'm thinking about doing some contributions to NeoVim. Save my LLM soul from PRC. What made you think that? Why do you want to contribute to NeoVim? I'm actually not getting ADC reader thread started. Did I ever get that? Starting ADC reader thread, ADC channel configured. My code doesn't get past. Okay, if you only see before, not inside. Interesting. What? Why? That's very weird, dude. I will store transient into HD instead of space. Damn, dude. Do that to me. It's just a project we became grateful a lot, so I was interested in the idea of giving back. Dude, give back to Ratatouille, man. It's the best project in the whole world. You just give back to... You're giving back to the wrong project, bro. Give back to Gitcliff. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Of course, it's a good idea. Do it. Dude, what the hell, man? What is this? Like, why? Okay, let me just add more prints now. Before thread spawn. Okay, just looping. Maybe I can add like a... No, I don't... Handle. Do I need to handle the result immediately? Apology keeps mocking me about not updating git cliff from 0.290 to 291. Man, just never mind about that release. It's a small release anyways. Don't do it. I don't know about writing Rust LM context transition protocol. Seems like an idea. Sounds like a complex idea, but since there's no CLI user facing changes, yeah, just never mind about that release. Actually, you can just delete git cliff from the repos. Just delete it, man. It's unnecessary tool. Who needs changelogs anyways? Just delete it. Also, like, report spam on GitHub. Go to my profile and report. No, don't, okay? Don't. I wonder what happens if, like, 3,000 people just report me as spam. I don't know how many followers I have right now. Yeah, don't. So embedded sucks, guys. Like, this is, what the hell, dude? I'm trying to spawn a thread and it's not working. What up with that? Like, why? Thread scope. Okay, that's just great. Like, ADC channel before thread spawn. Okay, it's not going past this point. When needs changelogs, and then I look at Google Play app sending random updates each week with no info whatsoever. Dude, I'm about to lose my mind over here. I cannot think about changelogs or anything right now, bro. I'm about to delete all my repos if I don't make this happen, because I'll be so ashamed of myself. Wait, let me just remove the loop. Just remove the loop. Just remove everything. Just try this thing. Maybe now it will spawn the thread. I don't get after thread spawn. I'm probably doing something really stupid. It's just probably has a really simple fix or something. Cause yeah. Do you even have OS threads? I don't know. What do you mean? Not enough free RAM stack for a new thread. 2 million threads already. Oh. Okay, maybe that's the reason. The stack size, maybe. The smallest thread ever, man. What the fuck? It's just like 1 kilobyte of stack size. Like, what are you gonna do with 1 kilobytes? Or upgrade your PC? Dude, I'm not running this on PC. What are you talking about? Okay, now we get like the empty chart. So thread was not actually, the thread was fucked up. We need to simplify it. I'm just gonna like change the stack size. But like what the fuck, man? This is the smallest thread ever. What, like, why? It's just weird. It's just weird. I don't know what to say. Okay, 1 kilobyte of stack. Let's run it now. Let's see if it's gonna run. I remember I did this before. I did this actually 10 times before, but okay. I was able to do that with like 8 kilobytes of stack. Oh, maybe I should do that. Should probably just do something like this, maybe. Removing the loop worked. But why do I need to uncomment that? So weird, man. Each iteration you recreate a potential large vector. Yeah, now I fucked up really bad because I'm doing that, but I was not doing that before. Removing the file also works. Throwing away your PC also works, right? Okay, it's crashing now. If the closure is big and the track stack is small, even a single big allocation or recursion will blow the stack. Okay, just use a 1 megabyte stack size, man. This should work. Oh no, one mega, what the fuck did I do? No, not a 1 megabyte, are you crazy? Move buffers out of the loop, increase stack size and minimize print alone. I'm not printing anything now. Oh, I'm cloning here, that's why probably. Probably don't need to clone. Send your PC to Mars error-free world. I wish I could send myself there. Actually, why am I doing all the calculations in the thread, man? I'm creating a struct in the thread. Maybe that's just fucking things up. This is what I should be doing. Instead, I'm just doing many things. Wait, what? Now it's... I'm confused. Now we have... Anyways, let me start over. When your embedded OS does not have threads, that's where MSC might be useful. Oh, got it. Okay, it's good insight, man. Thanks. Okay, just gonna do that actually. Just gonna read stuff and then just send them over. That's only thing that I want to do in this thread. All right, and here, let's forget about the sampler. Actually, Damn, what did I do? But I need the elapsed time. I'm just thinking. Guys, here's the thing. It's already really fast to just read 200 samples or whatever. So I'm not sure like if we're gonna gain any speed from using a thread. What do you think? The real part that is slow is the FFT. So let me actually wait. Let me stash my changes. So the part that is slow is this. Normalize the FFT data. So maybe I should first switch to the fast FFT, which is the micro FFT crate. Okay, example. Do you like clean code? No, I'm all about the dirty code, man. What did you ask? Clean code, horrible performance, as they say. Alright, I don't know which FFT that I should be using, to be honest. But okay, let me ask ChatGPT. I have this module. I want to switch to micro FFT. I want to switch to micro FFT. It's flashing now, okay. Here is a snippet from their API. Rewrite my module for that. Do you like 1000 lines or 1000 modules clean structured? I like 1000 lines. Garbage collection is overrated anyways. FT users may want to have a session with you. Okay, we got some code. Let's have a look. Num complex. What is that? Complex 32. Micro FT. Dude, what's the type that these guys are using? It's complex F32. What? Okay, whatever. Is this like exported? Okay, I guess I just have to add it. Since when I'm frozen. Just realized that I just froze. Okay, just gonna bring back my high quality video just for you guys, because you're not using the USB anyways. How can you speak without moving, man? Is this real, dude? Of course. What are you talking about? Feel special. What is real FFT, dude? Okay, it seems like it just works, I guess. No? Why are you complaining now? Oh, 50 data. F32. F64. Oh, okay. There you go. Big FF. Okay, F64. Oops, what did I change? Dude, why did you change the types? F64. I don't know if this is normalized or not, but we can run the terminal like business class with lemonade. What the fuck is lemonade, bro? What? MicroFD only supports fixed size. Why is that? I 16 samples to F32. What? Dude, this is very annoying. Are you building a guitar effect pedal or something? I'm building a tuner. Dude, just fucking work, what the hell? May the grind never leave this chat. Keep going. Thanks, man. Thanks. Welcome, the grind. Like what? Transform line 29. 29. Panicking at I removed that assert. I don't need that assert, man. Oh, I have more than... Okay, that makes sense. Have you tried giving all the code? You don't want big piece and running, it was more chance, I guess. No, it works now, look. Yeah, okay, it works, I mean... Let me try to play some notes to see if it's doing things correctly. No. This is A4, by the way. Okay, it's kind of fucked. It's because of my FFT size, maybe. Oh, RFFT, I need to... Okay, I broke it, guys. Nope. I'm now getting wrong results from pitch detection. Yeah, I think that's why. Wait, maybe... Wait, 5... If this will work in embedded though. 500 samples. How many samples am I taking right now? 500, yes, okay. We can try this on embedded. Guys, I'm basically frozen because my video just decided to die, like my camera's not working anymore. So I'm guessing you don't want to watch me frozen like this, so I'm just gonna turn it off. Feels a bit lonely, right? Well, how am I gonna show you what I'm doing then? I don't know. Maybe my camera will decide to just come back to life soon. Dude, I really need that USB multiplier thing. I ordered it and it's gonna arrive tomorrow, so don't worry. Tomorrow, if I live stream, you'll see me and yeah, it's gonna be nice. Low quality to no quality. What a downgrade. Are you sure that's a downgrade? Because this channel is all reverse, you know? Okay. Now it's slightly faster. Slightly faster. I'll try to describe what I'm seeing. Actually, no, I'm just gonna show it to you. Bunch of fucking cables, man. What is this life? Okay. We can try to... Oh shit, this looks like ass. What is this? Okay. Kind of working, but I need to make sure it's actually detecting things right now. Let me play some notes. G4. Okay, that's actually successful. F5, G6, G5, A5. Oh shit, this is not bad. D5, that's kind of fucked up here. F4, G4. It's actually kind of better. Let me actually run this with the release mode. And let's see it really fast. Let's see it really fast. Now it's kind of okay. It's kind of fast, but could be faster. My camera is so shitty, man. It's not even like focusing on it. It doesn't have a focus. It's just a USB webcam. What do you expect? But now I'm running this in release mode, so oh shit. No space left on device. That's awesome. Guys, give me a second. I need to delete some of my anime collection. I have like literally 19 megabytes of space right now on my whole PC. Let me delete some animes. I want to delete us. How am I gonna delete you? My best friend. My target folder is like 7 gigabytes. Let me delete some packages, bro. Let me delete Pac-Man. Give me a second. I'm just deleting some random ass packages. Alright, let me delete this one too. Okay, let me go to cache. Let me do a quick scan in my cache. Time to delete the homework folder. Yes, sir. Time to get rid of that. Time to delete this thing. Boom. 3 gigabytes. Right? 3. Yes, 5 gigabytes. We're still back. Alright. I can keep compiling now. I hope 5 gigabytes will be enough for this to build us in release mode. If I do that, it's gonna be super fast, I hope. Like, it's gonna be like lightning fast, dude. Like, right now, you see this? It's gonna be faster, bro. I don't know why I'm hyping you up so bad. Well, it's not gonna run because I need to plug this thing in. And you're gonna lose my video again if I do that. But don't worry, I'll be back. Just waiting for this. But man, this code is not great. Couldn't figure out the thread stuff. With this hype, we should at least see that anime on that small thing. Yeah. I'll do my best, bro. I'll do my best. I should probably create a workspace for these crates. Just gonna kill Rust Analyzer, bro. Oh my god, my PC is dying right now because of release mode. Come on. I should create a workspace and clean all of this up. Alright, it's happening. We're finally flashing, guys. All right. Okay, time to show you what I got. It's almost real time. Actually, how am I gonna show you, man? What the maybe now it will be better. It's all shitty, man. I should get a HT video camera. Guys, sponsor me on GitHub so that I can get a better camera. But this is not bad. I'm gonna run some notes. I mean, yeah, it's, look. Yeah, it's kind of working. Like, it's probably like there's a little bit of an offset, just a little bit of an offset there, for sure. But it's working. Silly question: is it possible to put on OBS? I don't think so. I can do something like this. Hold on. I have an idea. I can do something like this for you. Still not super. Actually, I'm gonna make this more clear. I just need a better video mic, camera, whatever. So let me show you again. I don't know if you can read it. Like, kind of shitty, I know. But the thing is, let's play A4. Come on, A4. No, it's not. Okay, it's not working. G5, that's kind of working. I just need to improve the chart a little bit, man. The chart is not great. Looks like a final year project and the kid is excited to show off what he has done. Yes. Except that it was probably much difficult than those projects, because I'm like trying to use Rust and Ratatouille, and I'm trying to like all of these do all of these things myself. Like, there's no library that I'm using, you know. But yeah. So I'll change the range. No, it's not connected. Okay, I changed the range. I'm gonna change it again. Maybe color decode of frequencies and show only colors and color transitions. I think kind of cool. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that as well. But first, I think I need to make this detect nodes more correctly. Right now, it's like there's like a small offset. Okay, now it's kind of better. Like, I can show it to you. 1 second. I'm talking about the graph, like the waveform. I changed the range so it's kind of more visible, especially if you play a note. I think it will be nicer. Actually, never like, yeah, I mean, oh my gosh, show it to you, man. Like, you see it? Something like that, bro. Yeah, the next step, I think, would be to show frequencies and also fix the detection a little bit. I think that would be cool. So, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is it from me today. I'm just closing tabs. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the link to the repo in case anyone wants to see the code, and join Discord, and let's send a link to Discord as well. There you go. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to the live stream and just hanging out, I guess. I hope you enjoyed my little embedded adventures. I have more stuff coming. I have so many ideas. This is only the episode 11, so stay tuned for 900 more episodes until I make it, you know. Anyways, see you in the next one. Can you link the hardware using before leaving? Link the hardware I'm using. It's ESP32. That's the hardware, just ESP32 with display. and that's it. Text me on Discord, I can send you the exact model and stuff like that. Anyways, like and subscribe. Only once, click once, stuff. Yeah. Guys, take care. I'm out. So done with Rust now. I just want to write some Java.